We're going to take a look today at the HFC M712 SR, meaning sniper rifle. And you can see what I've done to the rifle here is mounted a scope. It's only a 4-power scope. Swing swivels on here for the sling. Now what I've done is, and I showed this in the other video, I do have an HPA tap in this, and I did get 30 BBs in here. So we're going to put the mag in. Got my HPA air set up to 100 PSI. I found 80 was not quite as good for hitting. And today I'm only running 2.5s, and I've only got a target out there about 110 feet out. And I'm going to take a couple of shots just to see how it goes. I'm actually hitting at 100 feet, and I'm going to zoom out there for you so you can see. It's a little dark in here, but I think it's going to work out. Okay, here's a look inside the arena. And right now, in between each pillar is 50 feet. So I'm at 110 feet back here. So I'm going to zoom in so you can see. I'm going to hook up my HPA air system on it, and I think I only have about 10 rounds left, so I'm going to see how good I can do on this. And that was it. I only got 3 shots off, but I don't know if you can even see that on the camera. One note for the camera, if you do not stack these, double stack in the mag, they do not feed right. So that is a good tip when you're loading these mags. That's why I thought it was out. It wasn't double stacked. So let me try a couple more shots. I got like about 5-6 left. And we're out. What the fuck was that?